Alright, hanging out in the van here. I'll go ahead and do a channel update, future videos video. I've been really busy lately, got back into bench pressing, so I've been addicted to improving my bench press. I want to bench press double wagon wheels, 225 for reps again. Unfortunately, I'm semi-injured right now. Nothing serious. I just need to take a break from bench pressing for a week or two, heal properly, so I'll take that time resting to film. And I got a lot of ideas. So one of the reasons why I haven't done videos I wanted to do is because it's been about 75 degrees all summer. It's been a really not hot summer, and the hottest I could get my van is 93. You've seen my van before. It's a black van, so it's a good 20 degrees over the outside temperature. I really wanted a triple digit day. I wanted a 100-degree day in my van, so that would mean I need about a 85-degree day outside. But I haven't had a 85-degree day, but it's hot enough. I'm in here right now sweating. I have no cooling devices on right now. Here's my Mighty Cool K4. This is basically the catalyst that launched my channel. So, you know, I wanted to do different cooling videos. So something I haven't reviewed yet in my van is this right here, the Arctic Breeze. I think that's what it's called, Arctic Air. But yeah, I wanted a 100-degree day in my van, but yeah, mid-90s is enough. So I'll go ahead and do that this weekend, see if it could stop me from sweating. But yeah, I want to review this. I also got this Kooler Aire revised product. I reviewed the original product, so I went ahead and bought the revised product to try out. So I didn't open this like 3 months after buying it. I forgot I had it along with this. I don't know if they forgot the piece of pipe, but yeah, it's supposed to have like a curved piece of pipe to blow air at you. And yeah, you could use any cooler with this. You just have to trim it to fit whatever cooler you're going to use this with. So I have this Kooler Aire revised product to review, along with the Arctic Breeze right there. And then I noticed a lot of people subscribe to my channel because of the camera equipment videos I make, so I went ahead and ordered this right here, rear view mirror vehicle traveling data recorder, a dash cam basically that's shaped like a rear view mirror. Automatic record all the road conditions, effective record accidents, and prevent malicious blackmail. Replay the truth to protect personal interests. So we're going to try that out. So there you go. It's basically a rear view mirror with a camera built in, so the screen's right off to the right. So I got that to review since people like my camera videos. This was only $14 on eBay, so let's check that out. Yeah, what's it, 97 in here? Yeah, that's hot enough. So I'll go ahead and do these cooling videos this weekend. Hopefully it doesn't get cold all of a sudden. I mean, it's only 75 right now. And then I gotta break out the turntable for this one. I got this ZR1 model, 2019 ZR1. It was like $10 at Walmart, so I'll open this up probably tomorrow. But there you go. So yeah, since I'm taking a break from bench pressing this weekend, I'll go ahead and make some videos this weekend. I should have made it right now. It's hot enough right now. So hopefully the weather stays pretty consistent, because it's 97.9 in here. I really wanted a triple digit day, but that's cool. That'll work. And then this is the same Windy Nation solar panel and Optima Blue Top from 5 years ago. Still working. Oh, same Vizio TV too. This TV lives in my van. I'm surprised this TV has lived in my van this long. As hot as it gets in here, on a 100-degree day, it's like 120 in this van. And this thing's still working perfectly. So, yeah, in this day and age of disposable electronics, it's impressive that this still works really well. Alright, so plenty of video to make. I think I'm going to start off with the Arctic Air, Arctic Breeze first on the weekend, and I'll go ahead and rig up what I have to make this work, and then review this dash cam, and then I'll probably open this up tomorrow, put it on the turntable, see how nice this model looks. Alright everyone, there's your channel update right there.